Days they come and days they go. It's been a while now since we know each other's ins and each other's outs. I remember it like yesterday. You caught my eye, you looked away, but bound to happen anyway. Even years they pass, things they change, but nonetheless I can still see the sunlight in your eyes. In the morning when the birds sing their song, I see your face and I just wanna sing along. Flowers raise their head and open up to smile at you. I believe they do. Well, things been done, still things to do, like sail around an ocean blue, walk fields of grass with morning dew. Even years they pass, well things they change, but nonetheless I can still see the sunlight in your eyes. Here we go out and spend the day beneath the sun. The touch of your hand still feels the same as when we were young. Then at night the sun goes down, the stars come out to shine for you. I believe they do. And if you need some time alone, just say the word and I'll be gone. 'Cause there's no doubt in my mind that you would leave me, 'cause our love is so strong. Well, seasons come and go away. Life's great, but life's a maze. But your love guides me through the days. Even years they pass, well things they change, but nonetheless I can still see the sunlight in your eyes. See the sunlight in your eyes. See the sunlight in your eyes.